Our today's topic is Fourier Theorem. This theorem can be used to analyze any complex periodic function. The statement of this theorem: any finite continuous single valued periodic function can be expressed as summation of simple harmonic terms having frequencies which are multiples of that of the given function. Mathematically, for example, y is equal to function omega t. This is equal to a naught plus a1 cos omega t plus a2 cos 2 omega t plus a3 cos 3 omega t and so on up to ar cos r omega t plus b1 sin omega t plus b2 sin omega t plus b3 sin 3 omega t plus br sin r omega t up to infinite. This may also be written as a naught plus summation r is equal to 1 to infinity ar cos r omega t plus br sin r omega t. R is once again from 1 to infinity. A naught, ar and br are known as Fourier's constant. We have to find the value of these constant. This theorem has some limitations. First limitation is the displacement must be single valued and continuous. Any particle must not have infinite displacement. कहने का मतलब यह है कि जो पार्टिकल है उसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट सिंगल वैल्यूड होना चाहिए. किसी पर्टिकुलर इंस्टेंट ऑफ टाइम पर इट मे नॉट हैव मोर देन वन वैल्यूज. सेकेंड लिमिटेशन, the displacement must always have finite value. It may never be infinite. जो displacement है उसका एक finite value होना चाहिए, ये infinite नहीं हो सकता. So these are the limitations of the Fourier theorem. So now we will find the value of the Fourier constants a naught, ar, br one by one. So first evaluation of a naught. To find the value of a naught, first of all we have to multiply the equation number 1 by dt and integrate it with respect to t, that is integral 0 to t y dt. This is equal to a naught constant term है, may be taken out from the integral sign dt 0 to t plus summation r is equal to 1 to infinity integral ar cos r omega t dt 0 to t plus integral 0 to t summation r is equal to 1 to infinity br sin r omega t dt, like this one. So now we will integrate integral ar constant term 0 to t cos r omega t dt and br integral 0 to t sin r omega t dt. This is equal to 0 and this is also 0. इसको आप इंटीग्रेट करके भी देख सकते हैं. फॉर दिस ar integral of cos r omega t is sin r omega t divided by r omega 0 to t. Omega is 2 pi over t. So ar r omega sin 2 pi r t. This is r 2 pi by t limit 0 to t. So this is equal to ar sine 2 pi r minus 0, that is sine 0, and this is your t upon 2 pi r. Sine pi r, sine 2 pi r, and so on, all are 0, so this comes out as 0. Same is applicable for the integral br 0 to t. तो t ओमेगा के स्थान पर 2 पाई बाई टी रखने पर आप देख रहे हैं ए आर साइन 2 पाई आर बाई टी आर 2 पाई बाई टी 0 to t. So on simplification we will get a r upon 2 pi r into t sin 2 pi r minus sin 0. Sin 2 pi r का मान 0 होता है, sin 0 is also 0. So a r comes out, ये value of this integral comes out as 0. Similarly, br integral 0 to t sin r omega t dt will also be 0. So with these values we have this equation. So integral 0 to t y dt, this is equal to a naught into t. Integral 0 to t comes out as t. So with this we will get a naught is equal to 1 by t 0 to t y dt. This is the value of the Fourier constant a naught. Physical significance of this value is that this shows the average value of the given function, that is 1 by t 0 to t y dt. So this value can be used as the average of the given function. Now we have to evaluate the value of AR and BR. So for the evaluation of AR, we have to multiply equation number 1 by cos r omega t and integrate it for 0 to t. So multiplying equation number 1 by cos r omega t and integrate it from 0 to t. So integral 0 to t y cos r omega t dt, this is equal to a naught constant term may be taken out from the integral sign, cos r omega t dt summation integral 0 to t ar constant है, may be taken out from the integral sign, cos square r omega t dt plus summation r is equal to 1 to infinity br integral sin r omega t cos r omega t dt 0 to t, like this one. As usual, integral 0 to t cos r omega t dt, its value is 0, and br integral 0 to t sin r omega t cos r omega t is also 0. So we can write here integral 0 to t cos r omega t dt is equal to 0. Integral 0 to t sin r omega t cos r omega t dt is also 0. ये हमने अभी सॉल्व किया था. इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए आप इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई 2 से डिवाइड करके sin 2 थीटा के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, and then we will integrate it. So we'll find the value of this integral as 0. So with these substitutions we have integral 0 to t y cos r omega t dt, this is 0. We have simply ar integral 0 to t square r omega t dt. All other integrals being equal to 0. So now we have to solve this integral. To solve this integral, multiply and divide by 2 and convert it in the form of the cos 2 theta. इसको cos 2 theta की form में बदल देंगे. So now we have integral 0 to t y cos r omega t dt is equal to ar 2 से multiply 2 से divide integral 0 to t twice cos square r omega t, that is 1 plus cos 2 theta यानी cos 2 r omega t dt. ar by 2 1 का इंटीग्रल t, cos r omega t is your sin r omega t divided by r omega 0 to t. Like this one. इसको solve कर लेते हैं. This value comes out as 0, so we have simply ar by 2 into t, and this provides the value of ar. Ar comes out as 2 by t integral 0 to t y cos r omega t dt. This is the value of the Fourier coefficient ar. Now evaluation of br. For this, to find the value of br, we have to multiply equation number 1 both sides by sin r omega t and integrate it from 0 to t. Evaluation of br. Multiplying equation number 1 by sin r omega t and integrate for t is equal to 0 to t is equal to t. So we have integral y sin r omega t dt 0 to t. This is equal to a naught constant sin r omega t dt 0 to t summation ar integral cos r omega t sin r omega t dt 0 to t plus summation br integral sin square r omega t dt 0 to t. R is equal to 1 to infinity. This one. So once again we have integral 0 to t sin r omega t 0 cos r omega t sin r omega t 0 to t. This is also 0. So we have this is equal to br integral 0 to t sin square r omega t dt. So now we have to solve the integral sin square r omega t. इसके लिए फिर से हम इसको 2 से multiply 2 से divide and convert it into form of the cos 2 theta. So once again we can write it as br by 2 integral 0 to t 1 minus cos 2 r omega t dt. So this comes out as br by 2 into t, or br is equal to 2 over t integral 0 0 to t y sin r omega t dt. This is the value of the Fourier coefficient Br. So substituting all these values in equation number 1, y is equal to a naught plus r is equal to 1 to infinity summation ar cos r omega t plus summation br sin r omega t, we are able to analyze any complex periodic function. किसी भी कॉम्प्लेक्स पीरियडिक फंक्शन को हम फोरियर थ्योरम की मदद से एनालाइज कर सकते हैं. ये जो थ्योरम है, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैथमेटिकल टूल for the analyzing of the complex vibrations such as sound wave. So this is all about the Fourier theorem.